Hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel! Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so today, ang gagawin natin ay ang quick energy check-in para ito sa lahat ng Aquarius. So, hello sa inyong lahat na Aquarius. Thank you for the continued support. Sobrang appreciated po. Sana patuloy niyo pong supportahan by liking this video or commenting below, lalo na kung nag-resonate yung reading mamaya. And sa mga bago, kung nagko-connect kayo sa akin at nag-resonate yung reading sa inyo, sana mag-subscribe po kayo para updated rin kayo sa mga post ko pang love readings. Thank you! So, okay. So, bubunot tayo ng dalawang cards from this deck for the recent past and then dalawang cards for the near future. Interpret natin siya. And then, bubunot ako ng dalawang cards sa present moment and let's see how it was affected by the recent past and how it may affect the near future. So, tingnan natin. Okay? So, bubunot ako ng recent past. Sixth card, dahil dyan pa rin naman yun. First card, Ten of Wands. And Ace of Wands. Near future, Queen of Wands. Mamaya, dahil hooked siya. And Page of Cups. So, Queen of Wands and Page of Cups. Okay, so can see here in the recent past, medyo naging burdensome sa inyo ang past relationship. I think in the recent past, bale, meron kayong past relationship, it was burdensome, you left that relationship, you move on, and there's a new love that came in. Okay, and there was a new beginning, see, from 10 of Wands back to 1. So, nagkaroon kanyang reset, but not with the same person. I think it's a new love that came in. And that new love was way better than the past relationship na naging burdensome sa inyo. A lot of issues, a lot of parang sakit ng ulo, kasi nga marami rin mga red flags ang person ninyo. And that led nga to a separation, but also allowed you to welcome new love. Okay, and in the near future, with the Queen of Coins here and the Page of Cups, this new love actually mas nag-progress siya. And now, there's a lot of new adventures together as a couple. There's so much abundance and nurturing love along with that abundance na puno-puno ng pagmamahal and pag-aaruga. You are well taken care of, and in the near future mas makikita nyo pa din yung progress ng relationship, and it may even start kasi ito nakilala nyo to, there's a new love that came in, pero in the near future mas magpo-progress pa siya into something better. And for some of you, this may be a same gender relationship, and yeah, you'll be having a lot of adventures together. Okay? And tingnan natin ano ba yung kaganapan sa present moment, kung bakit itong energy na to yung nasasagap natin for the recent past and near future. So first card, okay, King of Coins. Okay. Correct. So what I see here from the with the King of Coins, diba, Queen yung near future nyo, it's a present yung may King of Coins. So it's the pair when it comes to abundance and stability. So ito yung new love provided more security and more stability when it comes to emotional, financial, physical even, and physical affection. So here, with the death card, there's a transformation. Yeah, from the past relationship that was very burdensome, there was a shift. Yeah, sa present moment, the old is gone, the new is has uh, uh, started, and nagkaroon nga ng better uh, connection na versus dun sa past connection na meron ka before. And with the death, there's a rebirth in a way na kala mo wala nang pag-asa din, na tapos biglang dumating itong person na to. So there was this transformation na nangyari. And here with the with the king of coins nga na nakikita dito, very faithful itong person mo, and I can see here nga na very loyal to sa'yo, okay? And you're fully, parang with the death card din kasi parang talagang naibon mo na sa nakaraan, or naiwan mo na talaga sa nakaraan yung past relationship that gave so much heartache sa iyo. And that's why you're able to move forward with a very abundant connection in the near future din. So, tingnan natin ano yung advice ni universe sa inyo. Just a reminder, this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay? So, ang advice ni universe sa inyo is okay, passion. Yeah, there's so much passion here with the new love. Talagang makikita ninyo na this person is so into you, and kaya mas i-nourish nyo pa, and mas alagaan nyo din itong connection, because this is something that you've been manifesting after the failed relationship in the recent past. So it's a good reading. So sana nakatulong ito, and always use the reading with discernment. And okay, and the near future is brighter. Kaya go. Okay. Ayan, so abangan nyo na lang ang susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala muli si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Ay, kita-kits na lang muli. Ingat!